yo, welcome again tonight to our session. If you are new, I encourage you to first subscribe and press the bell so that you can be able to get all our updates on time. I am bringing to us again another type of Seben, which is called Sukus. The Soukous Seben is just another Seben, another type of Seben, which usually is very fast than the normal Seben. That's why we call it Soukous. It is very fast. You can play the same Seben that you play, but once you add the tempo to it, it changes the name and it is now called the Sukus. And in this type of Seben, you don't need to play so many things because the tempo is very fast. So you must be very fast to play so many things. That's why we usually play lazy Sebens in Sukus. You don't play so many things. If you are fast enough, that's okay. But you don't have to play so many things for it to be a nice Seben. And remember, as I always say, every Seben must be always simple and sweet, and every Seben is valid. I always encourage people to make up their own Sebens because we have different tastes, different backgrounds, so everyone has to come with his own. So that diversity is what will make Africa win. So let's try now to play it so that you can enjoy yourself, and I know that you will be encouraged. Thank you. you know what? I was just really enjoying myself. You know, many years back when Sukus came, it was very crazy. It was crazy. Because most of the time in Sukus music, the song is usually very, very, very short. Most part of a Sukus is just dancing and dancing. Actually, the climax starts from beginning till the end. That's now our Sukus. Okay, let me give you some clue on what I was doing. I was on the key of G. Perfect. So I start with a cant. So third and first. Then, okay, I start again. Third and first. Then second and first. Then third and first. And second. Okay. Then okay, a bit faster. Then the second part now, which we call detente or relaxed, but this time again I go up instead of going down. Yeah. So I go now to the first inversion of G. I'm using cants. Okay. It is third and first. Okay. Let me go fast now. Then I go back again. Okay, now the part of the distortion, I was just improvising. I don't know, I can't repeat everything that I played. I don't know what I was playing. I was just enjoying myself, but it was like, now I go to the second inversion of G. Okay. Okay, almost something like that. Okay. Slowly. So basically that's what I was playing. I know I might have not played everything exactly, especially for the distortion part, because it was kind of an improvisation. So yes, that's it. I hope that you've gotten something. For my friends who are new or the beginners, I encourage you to send me an email so that I can give you private lessons, so that you can be able to come to a point where we can now be on the same page. Yeah, if you don't have the basics, it will be very difficult for you to follow some of these tutorials. So send me a message on my page, and I will be prompt to answer you, and we will help each other. One more time, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell if you think that what we are doing is helping you. That's the only way that you can help us go forward, and you can also encourage us. God bless you, and see you next on our next tutorial.